Okay guys, this is the actual result I wanted with my hair, but sure. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay guys, today we are in my car, not mine, but like as in my family car, I guess. And we are going to IKEA because I need some more paints because I'm running out of paints. And in case you didn't know, I buy my paints from IKEA. Very, very reasonable paints. Okay, so we're going budget shopping there, and yeah, we're basically going to be vlogging it. And the IKEA here, it's huge, and most IKEAs are huge, but like this is the only one in Riyadh, I think. So they've made it extra big, and yeah, let's just see. guys, so the only reason we went to IKEA is they have very reasonable furniture, very reasonable everything actually. And yeah, they like sell paints, they sell art supplies, they sell furniture, they sell basically everything you're gonna need. Plus, they also have inspirations, like these small rooms that like tell you how like modern houses and stuff like that, they're decorated like this, and you get inspiration from them. I literally got so much inspiration, I was like, Mom, we need to buy. Plus, they also sell food, which is a double. Like, I mean, not sponsored by IKEA, but like, please sponsor me, IKEA. Like, they are actually amazing. Like, I feel like I'm in my natural habitat.
Hello.
Yes. You know? I'm gonna grab this. I need this. Okay, is it actually?
Hang on, I'll give the lens.
Okay guys, so now we are headed back, and yeah, that was very fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. And if you want to see me do more vlogs, or if you wanted to see me back at my desk, then make sure to hit the like button, and I will be replying to everyone who comments to this video in the next, well, 40 hours. If you comment in the next 40 hours, I will reply to your comment, and I will pin and heart your comment. Bye-bye.